In this video, I'll show you how to get Claude Code running inside of VS Code. No fluff, just the exact steps you need to get it set up. So let's get into it. First, open VS Code and click on the extensions icon on the left sidebar. In the Marketplace search bar, type Claude Code. Look for the official extension by Anthropic, click it and hit install. Once installed, click on the Claude icon that appears in the top right corner of your window. Now it's time to log in by selecting the Claude AI subscription. VS Code will ask for permission to open an external website, so just click open. Your browser will launch, you'll need to log in, and then you'll have to review the permissions and click Authorize to connect your account. Once you see the success message, you're good to go. So close the browser and head back to VS Code. Claude is now active in your side panel, so let's put it to work by opening your Explorer and selecting a project file. Now, highlight any block of code you want to understand, debug, or modify. Go down to the Claude chat box and type your question like, what does this function do? You'll notice how Claude automatically includes the selected lines as context. Hit enter and Claude instantly breaks down the logic for you step by step, leaving you fully set up to code faster. And that's it. Claude Code is officially set up in your IDE. If this quick guide helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more zero fluff coding tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.